Hello, I'm Ron Weingartz with Weingartz, here to talk about the Ultima ZT1 42E. So the E stands for electric. This is a battery-powered unit. I like what Cub did with this. They started with the proven Ultima gas-powered chassis. So if you notice, this is the same chassis as the gas units. So it's the same structural integrity as some of the larger, higher-powered gas units. So they didn't make any compromises in the machine. They use a 56-volt, 60-amp lithium-ion battery. Important thing to note, some of the competitors in this class, to keep costs down, we use a NiCad battery. The lithium-ion has a lot of benefits from the standpoint you don't decrease as the battery wears. This will run at consistent power till the battery's depleted. And this also does have a limp mode, so as your battery's running down, it'll kick the blades out and basically tells you to get back in, get it charged before the battery dies. This is designed to mow up to 2 acres. So it will handle larger properties, and it'll completely recharge off a standard plug in about 4 hours. If you do run out and you just need to add a quick charge, you can plug it in for 20-30 minutes to give you enough to finish. It doesn't affect the battery integrity. That's another nice added benefit. Very simple design. Say with the Ultima, height of cut, 1 lever. They have a nice dash panel that's tilted forward, so it's very easy to read, see all your controls. And with all the Cub Ultimas, they have adjustable steering for the comfort of the operator, so you can find the position that is most comfortable for you. And they do swing out, so it makes it easy to get on and off. So as the battery technology is advancing, I think this is a great unit. Came out last year. You can say the only thing that's maybe a little bit different, this does drive different than a hydraulic unit. Just a little bit more responsive because you don't have the lag like you do with the hydraulics. So it takes a little getting used to. But other than that, it's been a great unit, and we're excited to have more available for this year. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, Weingartz, everything.